Today we're going to make hand sanitizer using some common things you can find around the house. Hi, I'm Robert Mack from robertmack.com, or should I say MacGyver.com. The first thing you need is some alcohol. It could be the kind you drink like vodka, but that's a sin. I'm using some rubbing alcohol. It should be at least 60%. This is 70%. You also need 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, which is probably all I have left in this old bottle, nothing to worry about there. And 2 teaspoons of glycerin, which is not a requirement, but if you don't have it, then your hand sanitizer will dry out your hands and you'll have to put lotion on afterwards. All right, the first thing you need to do is pour a little bit of the Make sure the hydrogen peroxide is fresh.